how to remove payment method on Instagram. So all you have to do is to go here to your Instagram application directly, and of course it will lead you to your home page. Now the next thing that you want to do is on the bottom part you will see 5 different icons there. Tap on your profile icon here, and of course it will redirect you or go to your profile section. Now on the upper right you'll see the burger icon there, or the 3 dash lines there. Tap on that and go to settings. Now once you're in the settings, what you want to do next is you will see add payments here. It's actually under security and above ads. Now tap on add payment, and then here tap on payment methods. Now if you actually tap on that, is here under your payment methods, if you've added your payment method there, you will see an edit and remove account. All you have to do is to tap on edit and of course remove account. And basically that is how you remove payment method on Instagram, and that is all for today. If this video helped you, please give us some thumbs up and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tutorials. Thank you for watching.